It's been a little while since I made a backyard video. But, oh no, boys, the STI's down. Was driving it very briefly a couple days ago, and it just started billowing smoke from the engine bay.
The power's still on, Julian.
Ricky, I'm Bubbles.
The power's still on, Julian.
Ricky, I'm Bubbles. Ricky, you don't have a cigarette.
I need a joy.
It had been leaking very slowly before that. I am almost positive I located the leak. It was in an area where I could have fixed it, but given that I need to have the turbo inlet installed and the current turbo, the Arashi, inspected, I just figured take it up to Ecotech, have them look it over, and almost certainly go with the Blouch 2.5 XTR. Pretty excited about that, and realistically should have done that in the first place, but we shall see. I don't think it's going to be a quick turnaround, unfortunately. Probably be upwards of a month before I get it back, just depending on what their backlog looks like. So I'll keep you posted, and if anything comes up, I'll be sure to let you know. Peace.